Rather than spending time over the Google, you will attract those direct resources into your life. That is how this thing works. Be a magnet. Can anyone answer me what a magnet is and how an iron can be magnetized? I know that all of are commerce students. So how iron can be magnetized? Rubbing into the magnet. Another answer I am looking over here. Behind. Anyone? That's the correct. Passing electricity through it. The flow of ions will make that iron magnet. So what we need to do is, we need to have that magnetism in our body, in our thoughts, in our actions, in our feelings, that we will attract all those things around us. How it could be possible? How it could be possible? As he said that passing electricity, and what passing electricity is, creating an environment. Creating an environment for yourself. See how it happens. When someone calls you and you say that I am jobless, please help me. And that guy will tell n number of people that you are jobless. And start visualizing this thing in terms of law of attraction. You've given your energy to one part, and all of those people have given energy to your part that you are jobless. You will be more time jobless. Rather than spreading this energy, just say I am into office, I will talk to you later. And that's what we used. And here in my team, Mr. Abhishek used this thing. He did from Dehradun this mass communication thing, and he was having no clue about the job. And all my team is no more is related to me. They are directly or indirectly either work for me, or we worked along with them, or they came through contact throughout the seminars. That is how I created my team. They got attracted. So what he did, he was all the time talking to the friends, I am not having job, can you help me, can you help me? And they were spreading this energy throughout the universe. And the moment he stopped, within 1.5 months time, he got 3 interviews cleared. He can tell himself. And the place from where he quitted the job, they also called him. So this is so much easy. What you need to do, you need to understand the power of yourself. And my show was all about this thing only. Vision board. You got the idea about vision board, so please prepare for yourself a vision board. And rather than meditating, start visualizing. Start visualizing this thing. And then create environment, passing the electricity. So much electricity means your thought, your feeling, your actions should be one. And then you have the people, you will have the events, you will have the inspired ideas of achieving your goals. And don't forget to pay the gratitude for your teachers, for your parents, for society. What happens when you start saying something about someone? Nothing is there in that. But if you start seeing whatever that guy or girl did for you, that point will cut, you will have the other way. Why we are not using the phrase thank you more over here in India? But there is a tradition there in US. Even no matter who you are, the people will look around you and they will say good morning to you, and when you offer a lift or whatever it is, they will say thank you. Start this simple thing. Start saying thank you. What happens when you say events in your life, when you say thank you? And we all know when we say thank you, when someone does our work. That is what we need to understand from the point of view of law of attraction. That is why America, what we consider them as a number one. If anybody would have this US experience, you will understand this thing. When I was studying, I was seeing, okay, they are saying thank you, why should I say? I was behaving like that when I first entered in US. And it was like that only. Because I never been into this culture here in India. I was not doing anything. And when I got understood about this thing, then I said, okay, when I am saying thank you, the genie is listening, he will bring more circumstances in my life. When I have to say thank you, it means I need to understand this thing. I need to pay the gratitude. And when I am paying the gratitude, it will bring more success in my life. And that's what is happening. That is what is happening. And you can also do this thing.